Will it Dyno? KLX110, 2005, bone stock. Will it Dyno? What will it Dyno? That's what we're going to find out today in this episode of Will It Dyno? What do you think it's gonna make? 15, 10, maybe? 10? I have no idea what it should make. We're sure enough gonna find out though. Looking good. You know, you gotta strap it down when it's a beast. Safety first, baby. I think it needs a rear shock. Yeah, I think it needs an upgraded spring. We're a little too heavy for this little thing. Let's get our dyno software up and running. We use a Dynocom DC5000 using Quantum. We're gonna start a new session for this bad boy. We're gonna set up a new run. Ooh. Gotta turn the dyno on. Dyno always forgets it. Boop.
I'm gonna move that top strap, that other strap, so that it's not close to the chain. It ain't gonna hit now when you let off.
Good idea. We're gonna do a gear roll on. And no load, because the rollers are enough of a load, to be honest. And let's see. I'm gonna do snapshot. We don't know what the 1-to-1 ratio is. We're just gonna use third. We're gonna just take a wild guess at 2,000 RPMs to snap it. We really have no idea. So the power to RPM is not going to be accurate, but it will give us an actual horsepower reading. So that is good. So we're about to see what it'll do. So let's see. The best way to run this, you don't take this thing out. We go all the way around. Cool. It's ready. Yeah. Fire up first shot. Feet on the rollers. This is our first motorcycle. Yep. This shock. This is gonna be tricky. Alright, I just gotta make sure my feet don't hit the rollers and suck my body up into it. Easier said than done. Alright, what sounds about like 2,000 RPM?
That sounds about fun. That's it.
Is that right there? All right, so what did the little KLX110 make? Well, whenever the RPM was correct, it made 5.4 wheel horsepower and 7 foot-pounds of torque. From the factory, they're rated at 6 to 7 horsepower at the flywheel and about 7 or so foot-pounds of torque. So 5 horsepower out of a KLX 110. Maybe we do some modifications to it in the future to see what kind of power we can gain out of it in the future. We'll see. So anyways, will it dyno? Yes, it will. Is it accurate? Yes, it was. Will we get more results later on? Absolutely. Stay tuned. Found a few things wrong. Whatever this little, we know nothing about dirt bikes. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh no. Don't fall. Don't fall. Don't fall. You can, come on. Oh God. Oh no. You can do it. Okay. Yeah, so whatever that hole is on the, I guess that would be the intake manifold going to the head. There was like a little cap on it. I'm pretty sure that's a big vacuum leak. So it just dynoed at 5 horsepower with a big vacuum leak. We're gonna fix that. Maybe we'll do it again and see what it does. I don't know. I'm sure this thing has all kinds of weird quirks. I mean, look at this spark plug wire. That can't be good. Picked it up yesterday. No idea the condition. So we'll fix that and see what it does. All right, got that little leak fixed. Good old cap and a zip tie. Well, there's only one good way to find out if something is running right. Not zip ties, but AFR gauge. We want to know what the air to fuel ratio is coming out of this thing. So we're gonna put something right there in that little tailpipe there. And it's gonna tell us if it's running lean or rich, and we can jet it accordingly. Maybe it's perfect, who knows? I'd be expecting this thing maybe, I don't know, 4-stroke. What do you think it should run in, 13s?
12.
I mean.
Hey, which one of these is good?
Probably not the one that's hanging on the wall.
No, both of them are hanging on the wall.
Well, let's find out. We're gonna make this work. Whatever we gotta do to get it in there. Secure. Oh, I see. I see, okay. You just, okay. See, this is why.
Can't be giving away all my damn tricks.
Well, maybe I'll edit it out. Maybe I won't. The sniffer wouldn't go up in there?
It'll block the hole.
Oh, yeah, well, probably not the best solution. So this will be completely inaccurate, but it will tell us something. So we'll see how it goes. The man is a genius. I mean, it'll give us something. That's the angle of the dangle that you need and everything. It is in free air, so it ain't gonna be that accurate, but it'll be interesting to see the result. One thing we didn't consider was the power output for the wideband. So we're just gonna borrow power from power. I'm gonna borrow some power from Zach's little Silverado here. Probably one of the prettiest trucks I've ever had come in through the shop. What is that? What do you even do with that? What's that for? Why would you do that on a street truck? Jesus Christ, this guy's crazy. Well, that's gonna work just fine. Connector out the way, and it's reading off the charts as it should. We're gonna find out what it reads.
Nope, nothing now, but when you get on it, oh yeah.
What's it reading?
13, gets down in the 13s.
About what I expect. Ready? Well, picked up a little power, probably from nothing, honestly. It's probably means absolutely nothing, but you know, it did pick up a little power. But you can see the difference in the top end after 4,500 RPMs. It really picked up a little bit. I don't know if that's due to us fixing that vacuum leak or what. Who knows? No telling. Doesn't matter. Negligible. Probably won't ever feel a difference. So 5.5 horsepower and 7 foot-pounds of torque is about right. I think that's it. Let's see. Adjusting the air-to-fuel mixture ratio a little bit richer, picked up another 1/10. Oh, 2/10. Yeah, you can see it right there too. The dark green line is picking up even more on the top end, so it likes the fuel up top. It's not liking it down low, but you can see the torque. It likes the fuel down low for torque. Really everywhere it wants the fuel. So open up the spark plug gap. It really needs a new wire. Have you seen how melted that thing is? It's bad. All right, I might play with it a little bit more, see what we get out of it.
Potato camera.
Alright, so the little KLX did pretty good today. Picked up a little bit of power, especially on the top end. You can most definitely feel it. Really surprised about the power difference that just a little bit of a mixture change makes in the whole power band. I mean, I guess in the grand scheme of things, on a little 150-pound bike, which is what apparently it weighs, it's really light, you know, half a horsepower is pretty good, and half a foot-pound of torque, you're gonna feel that. So anyways, pretty successful. We're excited about the new toy. Pretty fun, huh?
Yeah, man.